here.
Okay, I actually
And a
turned
few
that one
eggs.
around before.
Alright, I'm going to leave this one out just to give a bit of space. Actually look alright, don't they?
I'll pull one out, have a look.
Okay. It's fine. And that one there is just about to emerge. That's why it's a bit speckly.
Point it out again.
This one here is
Yeah.
about to emerge.
Yeah, that's why it's got a hole in it.
And this one here is about to emerge, and that one here is about to emerge, so that's why it's got those tiny specks in there.
Alright.
Okay, this one is full of eggs.
What about this one here? This over here. Does it look like they've ripped it open, or is it just...
Looks alright inside.
Okay. Oh, they probably
there's
just
a
haven't
bit-
finished
yeah.
sealing it yet.
Actually,
Does it look like it might have a little bit of sac brood on it?
not sac brood, it may be a little bit of deformed wing. Maybe it had a varroa in there, so they...
Uncapping it.
Yeah. Find one with larvae.
It's been 4 minutes.
Does it? We'll just do one with larvae and then that'll be enough, isn't it? If we ever come across one with larvae.
It's cap brood, which is important, really. You
Yeah.
wanna-
No, but you
some
want to look at
caps.
larvae as well. Like, for example, that one. That one there. Someone might think that's slightly misshapen. But I think it's just about to be sealed.
What about that one there? Actually, I think they
I
haven't
think that's
sealed
just,
that one
it's
yet.
just about to be sealed, yeah. Let me turn this frame round so you can see the younger larvae underneath. That wasn't the proper way to turn a frame, but... Alright, so you can see all the segments in there, can't you? Even the really young larvae, you can see the segments and the colour and the shape. It's all as it should be.
Yep, looking good. Okay, there's a couple of things.
Mostly sealed. Even that, I would say it's just about to be sealed.
It doesn't look like it's been broken
no,
open.
No, it doesn't, because
it's nice and round.
Yeah, because if you look at the ones around it, these are all sealed. These are probably about to be sealed. That's all larvae. It's nice larvae all along the side. Proper way to turn the frame.
And they've got some nectar in some of these empty cells as well.
Yeah. So none of the cells are just empty, or it looks like anything's been pulled out. It's got either nectar or an egg or something in there.
Okay.
Bus. One more.
Yeah.
And the bees as well. They look fine. Not trembling, not shaking, no weird shaped.
Nothing funny going on at the entrance. Just bend that one down a bit. That's it. Okay, that looks good. So you're looking into the base of the cell.
Yeah. That's fine. Open this one up a bit more if you want. What do you reckon? Slight sackbrood?
So, can't get it in focus. Yeah.
A bit of sackbrood maybe.
Hang on, I can't get it in focus yet. Yeah, just hold it, turn it around a little bit.
Got it?
Yeah, maybe a tiny little bit.
Yeah, maybe a touch of sackbrood. So they open that cell up. And that goes into the smoker.
Okay, so nothing to worry about.
Yeah, nothing major.